Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happens inside ChatGPT or Claude when you ask them a question? Today we are going on a journey inside a large language model or LLM to see exactly how they understand and respond to your requests. Let us make this super simple. First, let us understand what an LLM actually is. Think of it like a super smart autocomplete system that has read millions of books, websites, and articles. But instead of just finishing your sentences, it can have entire conversations. It is like having a friend who has memorized the entire internet and can chat about anything. When you type, "What is the capital of France?" the LLM does not see words like we do. Instead, it breaks everything into tiny pieces called tokens. Think of it like cutting a sandwich into bite-sized pieces before eating it. Each word, or even part of a word, becomes a number. So, what is might become token 1247, the becomes token 89, capital becomes token 3456, and so on. It's like translating your question into a secret code that the computer can understand perfectly. Now comes the magical part. These number tokens go through something called a neural network. Imagine it as a giant maze of interconnected paths, like a subway system with billions of stations. At each station, the AI asks itself questions like, what does this word mean in this context? How does it relate to the other words? What patterns have I seen before that are similar to this? The really cool part is something called attention. Just like when you are in a noisy cafeteria but can focus on your friend's voice, the LLM can pay attention to the most important words in your question. When you ask about France's capital, it focuses heavily on capital and France, while giving less attention to words like the or what's. This all happens in layers. Imagine climbing a building where each floor gives you a better understanding of what you're looking at. By the time we reach the top floor, the LLM has a deep understanding of what you are really asking. Once the LLM understands your question, it needs to generate an answer. But here's the fascinating part. It does not just spit out a pre-written response. Instead, it predicts the best next word, one word at a time. It's like playing a word guessing game. First, it thinks, what's the most likely first word for answering this question? Maybe the. Then, what comes after the? Probably capital. Then, what comes after the capital? Maybe of, and so on. The capital of France is Paris. Think of it like autocomplete on steroids. Your phone might suggest the next word, but an LLM can suggest entire thoughts and explanations, all while making sure everything makes sense together. Before giving you the final answer, the LLM runs some quick checks. It's like having a teacher review your essay before submitting it. The system makes sure the answer is helpful, accurate, and safe. It checks, does this make sense? Is this information correct? Could this harm anyone? This is why sometimes an LLM might refuse to answer certain questions or ask for clarification. It's just being careful and responsible. The most incredible part? All of this. Breaking down your words, understanding the meaning, generating the response, and checking it happens in just seconds. Your question travels through billions of calculations faster than you can blink. So there you have it. Next time you chat with an AI, remember, behind that simple conversation is an incredible journey through tokenization, neural networks, attention mechanisms, and word-by-word generation. Pretty amazing how technology can understand and talk with us, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech explanations made simple.